Damn, why you always gotta walk over here with your fucking bitch ass off? You gotta run away now. That's why you gotta run away, because you're in the middle of a poopy trail. Now, bitch, don't take your money.
Yum, 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 yum.
Stop! None of your business, you monkey rat. Monka Mondaloid. Now I'm gonna shoot you. Shut the fuck up before I shit in your mouth the next time you speak. Good. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up before I shit in your mouth.
I am Steve.
That's why we all speak in your face. Damn, look at your head is red as a tomato. Hoes running to follow me. What the fuck are you I'm just joking. I'm just kidding. Look at
Whoa.
You wanna play rat game?
I can't play that.
Cheese Escape. It's called Cheese Escape. You don.
I'm trying
Cheese Escape.
Where do I get them stupid kids with no brain?
Do you guys wanna like play Cheese Escape or something?
What if they did rules and then play Cheese Escape?
Bleh. What?
Yes, come on.
Wait, what?
It'll be a kid's game.
What are we gonna play? I'm just. God. Shut up,